Hey, what's going on, compadre? How you doing? Jeff Aman here with a mass organic traffic review. If you have been praying for a way to get a ton of free traffic right now, if you're struggling to get traffic to your offers, to your capture page, to whatever it is you're trying to get traffic to, listen up, all right? Because this is incredibly powerful. In fact, it's one of the most powerful pieces of software that I have come across. So powerful, in fact, that I have completely created a system of my own on how I am going to use this software, and I actually reveal that. It's one of the bonuses that you're going to get for picking this up. But guys, this is the real deal. This is going to allow you to start getting traffic immediately without having to show your face, without a learning curve. You simply plug in, follow the prompts, and you are going to copy and paste your way to a ton of traffic. All right, so real quick, what is mass organic traffic? So guys, this is going to work even if you don't have a blog. I want to be very, very clear about that. Even if you don't have a website right now, hell, I don't have a blog right now, but I'm so pumped up about this software, I'm actually going to create one. But I'm going to show you in my bonus how to post to platforms like Medium, Reddit, all these free platforms to get a ton of traffic. All right, so what mass organic traffic does, it creates unlimited authority content in minutes. Guys, we're talking minutes for any niche, even the make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto, and work from home niches, which I am in. And this software, well, first, what is authority content? So authority content refers to high quality, credible, and in-depth content that positions you as an expert or a thought leader in your niche. It's the type of content that builds trust, credibility, and influence with your audience, and often ranks well in search engines because it provides genuine value. And I have not seen a software that does that better than mass organic traffic. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this. Why is this so powerful? Well, first of all, it starts with the keywords. This software works to find keywords with high intent and low competition and rankability for any niche. So you're not going to go out there and be able to start getting organic traffic with the keyword like affiliate marketing. There's too much competition. What's brilliant about this software is that it finds keywords that you can actually rank for. And it's super low cost. It's like $10, and you can use it in an unlimited fashion. You can use it over and over and over again. There are no limits. Currently, most AI platforms that I've come across that try to help you write authority content, often it lacks in quality, and it's glaringly obvious that it was created by AI. It ends up getting punished in the search engines because it gets flagged as AI. Not with this, guys. All right. Also, software out there, it tends to be very expensive. Usually it's subscription based. And on top of that, it operates on a credit system. So you have to pay to create this authority content. So you have to buy credits. Plus you got a monthly subscription. It gets very, very expensive. Not with mass organic traffic, guys. Once again, this is unlimited. And also, the other competitors out there, they don't help you find loads of keywords that actually rank for you. All right, so mass organic traffic is different because it is exceptional at finding low competition keywords that are easy to rank for, and it creates world-class authority level content that passes the human writing test. That is huge. It will not be identified as AI generated, so it's going to rank in Google and get you that traffic. Once again, you can do this without having to have a blog. All right, the content is SEO optimized straight out of the gate. You can simply copy and paste into these platforms that I'm going to show you in my bonus. It also generates the images for the content. And guys, remember, AI is only as good as the prompts that you feed it. And the prompts inside mass organic traffic are the results of years of testing and trial and error. All right. And it actually creates content that people would enjoy reading. After they read this piece of content, they are going to be wanting to go to your capture page to see whatever it is that you're offering. If you actually follow what I teach you in my bonus video, it's going to be impossible for you not to get traffic, leads, and sales with this software, guys. Let's get to my bonus here. I made a full 30-minute training video. It's already waiting on you. As soon as you purchase, you're going to get access to this. And this video is full of gold nuggets. You're going to look over my shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm monetizing the traffic that I get. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step game plan to start bringing in traffic, leads, and sales, of course, for free. This is free to do, guys. You're going to see the 5 content platforms that I'm posting to, and you can get loads of traffic even if you just pick one of these. You're going to see how I monetize my profiles in these content platforms. You're going to see the exact type of page I'm sending my traffic to maximize sales. You're going to see how I optimize post for each individual platform I'm posting to. And if you don't have a blog yet, neither do I, guys, but I'm going to show you the blogging platform I personally will be setting up. This software is so good and it pumps out such great content. I feel like I have to create a blog now. So I'm going to show you what I am thinking after my research. I'm going to show you a plug and play blogging solution that I found. And guys, most importantly, a 15 to 30 minute per day game plan to get 20 new email subscribers per day in just a few months time. Remember, this is traffic that builds on itself. All right. So the more that you do this, the more traffic you're going to get. You're going to be getting more and more traffic as the days go on, because that authority content that you're posting to the platforms I'm going to show you to post to, they're going to start building up. And so the article that you posted on day 1 is still going to be getting you traffic on day 30. And plus you've got all these other articles that you're posting to. Guys, even if you did this once a week, even if you spent 15 to 30 minutes a day, one time a week, you still will be able to get traffic, leads, and sales with the mass organic traffic system. All right. Absolutely love this software, guys. Let me show you how to get your bonus. All right. So in Warrior Plus, you're simply going to go to your purchase history. You're going to find Mass Organic Traffic Pro. You click on that. And for example, I'll just go into mine. And this doesn't have the affiliate bonus, but you will see the affiliate bonus button right here under access your purchase. That's where you're going to find my bonus. All right. And real quick, let's just go through the upsells. All right. So of course we've got the mass organic traffic. You're also going to have access to the custom GPT. What this is, it's actually something right inside of Chat GPT that you can go to, like right here, mass organic traffic. And this way you don't have to copy and paste the prompts. Everything is just built out for you right here inside of ChatGPT, and you can do this with a free ChatGPT account. So that is an upgrade that will save you a little bit of time. Literally, you can get one of these pieces of authority content with a custom ChatGPT in 2 minutes, under a minute. It's absolutely wild. So I would recommend picking that up. However, even if you just get the base software, you're still going to be able to create these pieces of content very, very quickly. There's also affiliate promo dashboard, unlimited lifetime access. And guys, just to let you know, I have pretty much every single piece of software that Mark has created. So I have all of these upsells here, including AI radical keywords. This is going to help you with mass organic traffic. It's going to help you find additional keywords to build your articles around. Digital defense toolkit. And then I already went over the Pro Custom GPT. And then you're going to get 2 essential AI dashboards. I have that as well. So just go through the upsells, see if they apply to you. But everything Mark offers is absolutely brilliant. And guys, once again, I have created a daily routine around this because it's so powerful, and you're going to get that in the bonuses. I can't wait to share some golden nuggets with you, but go ahead, get started. I'll see you in the bonus video. Peace.